Marcos from eCpp Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror built for any 2002 through 2008 Dodge Ram. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding, manual fold up, and comes with the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. Our tow mirror also comes with a smaller panoramic mirror and a larger power adjusted mirror with power heating. Both mirrors measure at 11 inches by 7 inches and have an overall length of 17 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. Our tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.